Hey guys, Oklahoma KLR, and this is another video in my series about motorcycle drive tests. In this video, I'm going to address the attire that you wear whenever you go to do your motorcycle drive test. Now, like I said in my other videos in this series, each state has their own laws. In the state of Oklahoma, if you're over 18 years old, you're not required to wear a motorcycle helmet, but you are required to have proper eye protection. And that eye protection has to meet the national standard. So, first thing we'll talk about eyewear last. First thing is you should. These are not requirements because I don't know your state, but you should show up in a leather boot that at least covers the ankles. Something that the shoelaces are nice and far away from the motorcycle. Don't show up in your flip-flops or your tennis shoes all hanging off your feet. Okay. Next thing is your pants. Don't show up in shorts. Show up in jeans or other riding boots. You want to make sure that they're, full length, that you're not going to get burnt by the exhaust or something like that. As far as gloves, you should be wearing leather palmed motorcycle gloves or some sort of work glove that's not bulky. I mean, you can see these. They have a leather palm, and then they're venting on top. They're velcroed on. They're not coming off easily. And next thing is a jacket. Now you don't have to wear a jacket, but I suggest you at least wear a long sleeve shirt or some sort of other shirt that is going to cover your skin from the sun and other things like that. But you don't want it to be too loose, because if it's too loose, it's going to flop around. And then we're going to talk about eyewear. Okay. Now on the helmet, if you wear a helmet, make sure it's DOT rated, has a nice clean visor on it, and is in good condition. If you wear that, it has to have a face shield, obviously, so I'm not talking about like your 3/4 or your half helmets. But if you wear that, you should be fine. If you decide not to wear a helmet, you're going to need to have some glasses that will pass inspection. And usually those are Z87 rated. I'm going to go ahead and turn around here. Those are usually Z87 rated, and it needs to be either stamped on the lens or on the frame. They need to have positive retention. They need to have positive retention, like an elastic band. Around the back, and like foam or form fitting around the eyes to keep the wind from getting behind them. If you show up with those things in the state of Oklahoma, you'll be fine. Now, your state may vary, but in the state of Oklahoma, that's what they require. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. This has just been another video in this series of being prepared for the drive test for your motorcycle endorsement. If you haven't done it already, make sure and check out the motorcycle safety course. It's a great idea to be prepared for the drive test, or to check with your local DMV to see if they'll waive the testing if you go through a motorcycle safety course. They're great courses. Check them out. If you're not a subscriber, make sure and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments what you think of the videos, if they're helping you. If you're a seasoned rider and already have your endorsement, please put comments below, and hopefully something advice you would give to somebody just getting into motorcycling. As always, have a good one. Look forward to seeing you in my next video.